Yeah? What's the names of rivers? Show us the names of rivers. You carry on, keep on going. Change it, ask the problem. Right, other people names of rivers.
এদিকে তো ভালো পাওয়া যায়, তুমি অবস্থা জানাও। এদিকে তো মোটামুটি পাওয়া যেতেছে।
So there's an old lady coming down the river. What's her name? Nani, yes? Yeah? What sort of woman is she? How busy is she? Always busy. How busy is always busy? Always. What do you mean always? What does she do first thing in the day? She cleans the veranda. What's the last thing she does at night? Okay, is the river clean or not clean? Some rivers are polluted, so you wouldn't want to drink them. How warm or cold the rivers? Some are very cold, say. So cold you don't even know how cold they are. What else are rivers? What else do we learn about a river, Tommy?
In Bangla, there is a river that means Madhumati. The word Madhu means honey. If you experience the river, if you go there, you have an experience like you have tasted honey just here. The sound, the harmonic sound, it's totally beautiful.
And what's the name of the river again?
Madhumati.
Did you hear honey that sound?
Madhu means honey. Madhu is honey.
Madhu means honey.
Yes, sorry, but you can hear it, yes? Yeah, it's a sweet, sticky word, isn't it? Yeah. That's why it was called that in the first place. So we have been doing this very much. The rivers are really rich places. Now then, who told me about the national fish of Bangladesh? Oh, okay. That's one fish. Can you name just some other fish that you find in chocolate. It sounds to me as if there are lots of fish in rivers like that.
Endless.
Yeah? Endless. An endless list. Okay. If you wanted to prove that when you were writing a book about it, or writing a piece about that, what do you therefore need to do?
Write a lot of things.
Yeah, keep on writing, and probably at the point when the reader's attention is actually almost falling asleep, you put 3 dots. Say, yeah, and this will continue. You'd have to decide how far can I take the reader in making this list of fish, goes on and back. So what I'm going to do is probably have it running on this side of the page. You know that list I gave you of things in Chesapeake Bay? I could have made this longer, but you don't want to bore the reader. So what you do is actually sort of give a list of moving. So, we know that the river can be hot and cold, and some rivers smell of honey, and we've got the fact that the names of all the rivers put together makes the sound of another river. The river language flowing. Oh yes, the other big thing is, the river is a journey. My life can be like a river journey. It starts where? Where does the river start?
The river can fall in a lot of ways, like glacier, mountains.
Yeah. But how does the river start?
From sea.